Hindi makikialam ang Malacanang sa mga isyong kinasasangkutan ng mga kaalyado ni Pangulong Benigno Aquino III. Ito ang balita ni Nel Maribuhok.
Muling binigyan diin ng Malacanang na hindi ito makikialam sa anumang issue na kinasasangkutan ng mga kaalyado at mga kilalang malapit kay Pangulong Benigno Aquino III. Partikular na sa mga aligasyong ibinabato ngayon kay Philippine National Police Chief General Alan Purisima na sinampahan kahapon ng reklamong plunder, graft at indirect bribery sa Office of the Ombudsman.
Has always maintained that if there are allegations, file them in court and that person will answer. That should not be an issue.
Ayon kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda, hahayaan na lamang nila ang PNP chief na magtanggol sa kanyang sarili.
So it's entirely up to Chief PNP Purisima to respond to those allegations, because personally we are also not aware of those things. We are made aware only because of the reports that came out on TV.
Dumistansya rin ng Malacanang sa usapin ng lifestyle check ni Vice President Jejo Marbinay na may kaugnayan naman sa isyung kinasasangkutan niya sa overpriced Makati parking building.
One of the mandates of the Office of the Ombudsman is to conduct a lifestyle check. Why is it the Office of the Ombudsman? Primarily because we submit the SAL and the State of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth to that proper office.
Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News Worldwide.